Now here the question is, if a and b are real numbers between 0 and 1 such that z1 is a plus iota, z2 is 1 plus b iota, and z3 is 0. So we have three complex numbers, z1, z2 and z3. Now z1 is a plus iota and z2 is 1 plus b iota, and this is origin. Now if they form an equilateral triangle, we need to find the values of a and b. Now we'll take these two vectors and we'll rotate this first vector to form this second vector, and this angle is pi by 3. So we can write a plus iota upon 1 plus b iota will be equal to e to the power iota, and this angle, it could be either plus pi by 3 or minus pi by 3. So it will be plus minus pi by 3. Now this is cos pi by 3, which is 1 by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 iota. Now we need to find the value of a and b. Now we'll cross multiply. So we cross multiply, we can write a plus iota and it will be equal to 1 by 2 1 plus minus root 3 iota into 1 plus b iota. Now we multiply this right hand side, we can write a plus iota equals 1 by 2, and here will be 1 minus plus root 3b and then plus 1 by 2 b plus minus root 3 iota. Now we compare its imaginary part, we can write 1 equals 1 by 2 b plus minus root 3, that is value of b is 2 plus or minus root 3. Now it says a and b, they both lie between 0 and 1. So we cannot take plus sign. So from here we can say value of b is 2 minus root 3. So here we have taken this plus sign, and if it is plus here, it will be minus here. Now we compare its real part, we can write a equals 1 by 2 and 1 minus root 3b. Now we'll put the value of b here, so it will be a equals 1 by 2, 1 minus, and root 3b will be 2 root 3 and then plus 3, which is 2 minus root 3. So the value of a and b, they are equal, and they are equal to 2 minus root 3. Now here the question is, let ABCD be a rhombus. So let this be A, B, C and D, and its diagonals AC and BD intersect at M. So AC and BD, they intersect at this point M, and we know that in a rhombus diagonals are perpendicular. Now it also says BD is equal to 2 times AC. So that means if this is X and this is X, then this is 2X and 2X. Now it says if the points D and M are 1 plus iota, so this D is 1 plus iota and M is 2 minus iota, then we need to find coordinate of A and say this is Z1. So what we'll do is we'll use rotation here. We'll rotate it in anti-clockwise direction. So this is initial and this is final. So we can write Z1 minus 2 minus iota upon 1 plus iota minus 2 minus iota, and it will be equal to AM upon dm e to the power iota pi by 2. So it will be Z1 minus 2 plus iota, and here it will be minus 1 plus 2 iota. Now AM upon dm, AM is x and dm is 2x, so it will be 1 by 2. Now here it could be both plus pi by 2 or minus pi by 2 because it could be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we'll take this as plus or minus iota. So this z1 minus 2 plus iota, it will be equal to minus plus 1 by 2 iota and then minus plus 1. Now if we take this minus sign, we'll get z1 as 2 minus iota minus 1 by 2 iota minus 1, which is 1 minus 3 by 2 iota. And if we take this plus sign, we'll get z1 equals 2 minus iota plus 1 by 2 iota plus 1, which is 3 minus 1 by 2 iota. So the possible coordinates of this point A will be either 1 minus 3 by 2 iota or 3 minus 1 by 2 iota.